back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host, Ida, and today we're going to do this personalized Christmas not shabby chic, country sign, and it's done all hand. You don't need a Cricut or anything to that nature. All you need is some copier paper, some carbon paper, some pens, and some paint. And hey, you can do one too without breaking the bank. So you're going to need several items. You're going to need carbon paper. If not carbon paper, you're going to have to scrub on the back and put some lead on the back of it, and then scrub on the back of your decal, and then trace it. You're going to need some paint. I recommend not gloss paint. It's going to take you a whole lot of coats if you use gloss paint, so use flat paint. You're going to need some ribbons, some wire. You're going to need all different types of embellishments. You're going to need a stand if you choose to put it on a stand. And you're going to need jute twine if you're going to hang it up. You're going to need one Dollar Tree plastic serving dish. And you'll need your hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, and your imagination. And also you're going to need, I used just my computer screen, and I took a copy of paper, found the images I wanted. I put my copy of paper up to my computer after I zoomed in how close I wanted it zoomed in. And then I traced it while it was on the computer. And then I had my images on my paper, and I was ready to go. Here's all my images. I got different sheets. I have different sheets, and I printed out several different things that I wanted, and I didn't know which way I was going with. So I decided to go with the family established sign. It has the year that my husband and I got married inside of the Christmas tree. If you're going to notice in the end, I changed it from black to white though. And again, I say do not use gloss paint because it's going to take you 5, 6, 7 coats to get it done. Use flat paint. And the rest of it is self-explanatory. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Leave them down in the comments. You can do both. However you want. You can instant messenger me from Facebook. And if you have any any concerns, or how I got something done, or how did I do this, or how did I do that, just leave it down in the description box, or down in the comment area, and I'll be sure to reply to your comment. So guys, just sit back, relax, enjoy it. I hope you learn a little bit of something that you can actually do beautiful things without having a Cricut or a silhouette. So that's what I wanted to do with this piece. So this is the 5th day of Christmas, and I know I'm running behind, but just bear with me. I'll get you all 12 of them. So until next time, I love you guys, and this is going to be the Saturday upload. Hopefully it'll be up in time because of the holiday. Love you guys. Love you, love you, love you. Love you to the moon and back again. I am a glam girl, and I hope you are one too.